Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install and join the classroom for your SONY Xperia Pro-I, and we'll be using the Google Classroom app. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and now start searching for an app and write Google Classroom. Press search and now install this app. When it's done, we can open it, get started, choose or add the account that you want to use for it, and press OK. Now, in order to join class, we'll need to press on this plus button and press join class. From here, enter the class code which you should be provided with, and then press on the join, and you should be in the class. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.